How to export photo from Picsart. Ready to save your finished photo edit? Let's export it from Picsart. Once you have completed your design, click the export or download button at the top right corner of the screen. Choose your desired file format, JPG, PNG or WebP depending on your need. Adjust the resolution or quality settings before saving. You can rename the file, pick your save location and then confirm the download. The image will be saved to your system, ready for posting or printing. Do you usually export in JPG or PNG? Let me know in the comments below. Use PNG format if your image includes transparent backgrounds or crisp edges. And that's how you can export photo in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.